Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Hope you all are fine. May God give you health, wealth, and success in every field of life. Today, I brought for you very amazing and beautiful pixie haircut ideas. If you like short hair, then you will absolutely love this video. If you are new on my channel, if you like my video, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. And let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.